beautiful people, I'm Bhavya and welcome to the first video of my YouTube channel. Like every other girl, I was struggling to learn makeup. Obviously, I've not become a pro at it, but I've been practicing doing it whole quarantine. Like I'm doing it since 2 months now, and I've become a bit good at it. So I thought, why not to help those girls who are struggling like I was. So I plan to do this makeup tutorial, which might help many of you. So here it is. Start with skin preparation for a better makeup finish using a toner, a moisturizer and a primer. My eyebrows are already done. Do not forget to hydrate your lips. Take a pinch of foundation and apply it on your eyelids evenly using your finger or a brush. Now I'm using my Maybelline highlighter as an eyeshadow because I love the color. I'm not really particular about my brushes, so I'm using this one. You can use any because it covers more area at once. Blend it properly. Now using an eyelash curler, curl your lashes for better mascara application. I usually do 2 coats of mascara. Also on my lower lashes. Now I'm taking my liner. I don't usually go for dark liners on a daily basis, so I'm using a very thin lining of liner to make my eyes look broader. Now let's start with our face makeup. I'm using the Fit Me foundation in this shade 228. I spread it using my finger all over my skin. I don't usually use concealer because I think I don't need it. If you have dark patches, you can use concealer. Blend it with a blender or a brush properly and evenly. Now let's blush. Using a brush, spread it evenly on your cheeks, yes. I love using too much nowadays. Now it's the turn for highlighter. I also use my eyeshadow or my highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes. Using the same brush on my cheekbones.
Mirror में तो I look super ugly. कुछ देर बाद I might look pretty, but you know. Kadapa. It's in this shade. This pretty. What can you see this? Look at me like that.
And now let's go for any nude shade of lipstick that you have or you want to. I usually go for this brownish shade every day. And and you are ready.
You know what? You look amazing. Literally amazing and pretty.
Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, if it helped you in any way, do let me know in the comment section below, and like it and share it with as many people and your friends as you can. Your girlfriends, your sisters, your mothers, anybody and everybody. Thank you so much. Lots of love.